Oh, this is gonna be so cold.
Actually, this water feels pretty good.
Do it here. Cool. Put your legs on top of mine. Lock them in. You guys gotta hold me in. Push down with your legs when we're going down. Push. I'm telling them to push down their legs when we're going in. Send me backwards, please. Thanks, man. It's gonna be cold. Well, you get to go down backwards too. It's here that I pull off every time. No, it's right here. Oh, well, you pull off. As soon as I said it, I was about to go off. I want to go on again. Ride it all the way out. Nice. How was that? Dude, I'll tell you, that's a steep drop. Like, when you're going backwards, you're not holding on, you're going up. You really are going up if you're not holding on. Lynn got so mad when they took her backwards.
Where are we going?
We're going to wrap around the other side and see what's going on over there before we eat.